Man, this came out looking great. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna be wrapping my interior trim in Alcantara wrap, and in the end we're gonna check out if it's any good. This is the material that I got online. This color is supposedly dark gray. The roll that I got is 150 centimeters by 50 centimeters. Now the material seems like a great quality, and I already did a test piece which came out looking great. Now I'm gonna move on to removing the interior trim. And here's our end result. It came out looking great, and now I finally got all of the trim pieces in the same finish. Now the material really gave more depth and quality to the interior, and when it comes to the quality of the material itself, it is surprisingly good. I really didn't have any issues wrapping any of these trim pieces. However, the most challenging one was the one around the gear knob. As you could have seen in the video, just make sure if you are doing this yourself that you clean everything good with alcohol. This trim piece around the gear knob also came out looking great. As I said before, it was the hardest one to do. The trick here is to cut the wrap in a curved shape, and that's gonna make your job a whole lot easier. If you are doing this on Alfa Romeo Giulietta, be extremely careful when removing all of these trim pieces. They are made from brittle plastic and you can easily break something. The door handle trim piece was very easy to do. However, since it's gonna receive most wear and tear, we will see how long it's gonna last. Here's another shot with the Alcantara all messed up. It really does have all of the characteristics of the real Alcantara, and the surprising thing for me was that this is actually a fabric and not some kind of wrap, which I thought it was in the first place. Anyway, that would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe.